Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some happy mail I received in the mail from Veronica. She is here on YouTube. I will leave her link in my description box below. It's been a minute since I've received happy mail. I love receiving happy mail. If you'd like to send me happy mail, my mail information is in the description box below as well. But I was able to participate in a swap with Veronica just recently, and so maybe this is just part of that. Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Veronica. So she didn't include a card. Let me see what it is all about. Hi. Oh, she's just sending some Galentine's mail. So she is Christy's Crazy Crafty Life here on YouTube. But look for the link in my description box below. She's so sweet, this girl. Love the bag. Look at all this goodies. Aww. So she shared a pencil, some bubbles. How fun. How fun. And then some slime. So much fun. Look at this pack of charms. Oh, and she has the queen. Let's open this up and see about this. Wow. So yeah, some fun Disney charms. Look at that, how fun. And then some beads with the Cruella, the Evil Queen, Ursula, and Maleficent. Oh, thank you, Veronica. And then she has some sweet treats for me. Oh, and look at this mask. How cool. Oh, girl, thank you so much for thinking of me. I appreciate it so much. Thank you all for being here, for watching my video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. See here. And go check out Veronica on her channel. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Shakas.